Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to share that how to install a new browser on Windows 10 or 11 as you wish. So first of all, whenever you will have a new computer, and then by default you will get a browser, and this browser name is Edge. Like you will get this browser. Maybe you will not find out, but from here you can easily find out the browser Edge. If you search ED Microsoft G. Then you will just get this browser and simply you can come on it. And simply, if you are interested to download Google Chrome browser, so simply you will search uh, on this tab bar like Google Chrome download, download, and simply search and enter. And then okay, actually they are saying you don't need to download a new browser. Actually, I have already installed it on my browser. So just I'm going to show you the process and how to download a different browser. So just I'm going to download another browser. This browser name is Mozilla Firefox. So simply I will search on the Mozilla Firefox download and I pressed on it. So what I will do, just simply I will press and install on Windows. So first of all, I will download it, like download Mozilla Firefox for Windows, and I will press on it. And then I will press on download now. Then I will have to wait a few seconds to download this browser. Okay, so already this file is downloaded. So simply I will press on open now. Okay, and I will have to agree. That's mean I will have to press on yes, and then I will have to press on reinstall. Okay, you can see now it's installing. Okay, actually before I install this browser, so they told me for reinstalling this application. Okay, already I downloaded this uh, extend this browser from Google Chrome. So this is the same process. By this process, you can download any browser as you wish. So if you're interested to download another browser like uh, what to say like Via something like that, or like Via browser, or like if you're interested to download Opera like that, so you can download as well very easily. Just to press and download and start using it. It's just I have to wait a few seconds and then I'll show how to customize this. Okay, we have to wait for a few seconds. Actually, it will depends like how much your PC is upgraded. So if you have a new window, especially new desktop, so it will take a few seconds only to download this browser. After downloading, I will show you what we will have to do. Okay, so already I have downloaded this app, this extension. So simply I will just press on it and then I will start using it. You can see I have downloaded this one and I can use it. Actually, you will not get this the same interface. Actually, I installed it before and I added something. So that is why I have this one. But whenever you will create a new one, so just you will get it just black homepage and you can use it according to your wish.